To remove your Binance Passkey, follow these steps carefully to ensure your account remains secure. Start by accessing your Binance account through the website or mobile app. Once logged in, go to your account settings on the desktop version and click on your profile icon on the top right corner, then select Security from the drop-down menu. On the mobile app, tap on Account and then Security. In the Security section, look for the option related to Passkey or API management. Find the specific passkey you wish to remove. There should be an option to manage or delete the passkey. Click on the Delete or Remove option. You may be prompted to confirm your action, so make sure you read any warnings carefully. Confirm the remover. Binance may require you to verify your identity through two-factor authentication or email verification to complete the process. After successfully removing the passkey, double-check your API settings to ensure it has been removed. Always keep your account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. If you have further questions, consider reaching out to Binance support for more assistance. I hope this tutorial helped, and see you in another video. Bye bye.